Hey all, and welcome to Sing Geek. My name is Ronja Peterson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the lip trill properly so you can start warming up your voice with this great tool. Now if you're here, it might be because you've tried before but you're having a hard time keeping your lips trilled, or it might just be you've heard about this lip trill and you're not sure what it is. So to clarify, the lip trill is also known as blowing raspberries, it's known as bubbling your lips or even horse lips. It's the action of blowing air through your lips so that they open or close rapidly like this. Now a lot of singers, they use voice lip trills to warm up their voice, very much in the beginning of their exercises also as the first thing that they do. The lip trill, it connects the breath pressure to your vocal folds. Basically, we need a nice steady air pressure so that you can sing beautifully from beginning of a phrase to the end of a phrase. And the lip trill, it helps you train that because you can't get the lip trill to keep trilling if you have too little air or too much air. So now that you know why the lip trill is such a great warm-up tool, I'm going to take you through step by step how to do it properly. Start by licking your lips and make sure that you relax all the muscles in your cheeks and in your lips. Place your ring fingers at the corners of your mouth and then press outwards and up to lift your cheeks. Now blow a steady stream of air through your lips to make them trill. Try to only blow as much air as you need so that you can keep the lip trill going for a long time. If your cheeks are filling with air, try pushing your cheeks more firmly against your teeth using the entire length of your fingers to direct the air to your lips. Once you're able to keep the lip trill going, experiment with adding sounds like slides or different melodic patterns. I hope that was really helpful for you and that you're now trilling your lips like a pro. I have created a warm-up track for you, both for male singers and for female singers. It should be the link here below. And it will take you throughout your whole range from middle to high to low and back to the middle. It's about a 4-minute exercise, so check it out. Also, I would really love to hear how the lip trill is going for you guys. It really is one of my favorite exercises to warm up because it just feels like this conditioning on my vocal folds before I really get into some of the harder stuff. So do that. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to see you for more geeking out on your voice.